All right, welcome back to the last section on OBS. I rightly forget something in the last episode to explain to us, which is the audio section. Over the audio section, one thing about OBS, the one thing I like about it is that immediately you kickstart anything that you're adding to OBS, either your video capture, either you are connecting audio from outside your system microphone, they create each channel for your audio. If you check over here, we have different audio input here. We have the desktop audio, which is the audio from your system. We have mic and aux, which is the audio that was connected to my system from outside, the external microphone that I'm using. We have the video capture, which is the audio coming from the video source that we add to it. So every one of them have their own source of audio. So you can now activate the one that you want. Those ones that you don't want, you can just click to mute them like this. You can click to mute them like this. So that is how that one works. So now we want to get our output to go live on. Want to get it to go live on outputs, maybe on our Facebook that we've set it up to be, or wants to go live on YouTube or something. So the way we set that one is go under this section of control. The first thing is we'll go on under setting to set the output of what will be going out. So under the setting, the primary thing that you need is stream. But if you've done what we did earlier on in the first video shot, you don't need this because your stream key is already there, except you want to add you want to stream to another channel. This is what I told you in the first thing, that OBS normally is being restricted to stream to only one channel. It's being restricted to stream to only one channel, but there's a way you can work around it to get you stream to multiple channels. So output, let's check our output rate. I told you I explained something in the previous video about this 1.5 bit rate, but for the purpose of this one, I'll be going for 500. Sorry, 500. So my I don't necessarily need my this one. Now for my audio, I'll be going for 180. Okay, for my audio, I think 160 is 128. It will be too low. Let me use 160. So so that's my output rate. My stream is being set. I can apply and click OK. So now that I want to stream, I need to go back to my Facebook. So under my Facebook, I need to go on my page. I can go live over here. So what I just need to do, under the live, I will tag this one as testing, so that people watching will know, anyone that is watching at the back end will know that it's just hit testing. So I'll click this as testing, testing, testing. Okay, so I will go back to my OBS. What I just need to do is to click on this. Let me first cover it with this black scene and go start streaming. Immediately I click start streaming, I can go back to my and you'll have seen this come live. If I'm not going live here, it will not show that blue. So let me stop streaming here. You see that it's still refreshing. Let me refresh this page. So you see that this go live is not being activated yet until I click, whenever I click this start streaming, that's when you can see this one. Thank God this issue is coming up now. When you see this issue, so definitely you notice, I'll show you something on your Facebook. It's not using persistent code. That's why it's showing me this option that it's giving me now. So what I just need to do under this is go under the advanced section, and it's even using the persistent code. So let me copy it back. This must be activated back. Why must it be showing that? what just need to confirm if that case happens some of the time is that you need to change it to this persistent streaming code, because it must be uniform to, if you don't activate it, it will be changing over and over again. So if we still have the same issue, which I don't think we should have, it's just the issue of that persistent code that will make it to come up like that. So what you just need to do, then you click down, go under your browser, so you can now go live. So when you go live, you see your video source already here. Let me play it. So let me go here to transmit this video down to this end. So if I transmit it, you can come back to your Facebook. As it's preparing, it's already live. So you can see this is the black shot that first showed earlier up. The other one will zoom it up. Don't forget that there's latency delay between what is visual and what you are streaming and what is going on live. So you can check people that are viewing the video, people that are commenting on the video, you can view it over here. So primarily that is how it goes to your Facebook. If you want to stream to your YouTube, okay, you can see the content is already popping up here. And if you want to end your streaming, what you just need to end the Facebook section is just to click end live. Yes, to end it. So that one so for the purpose of your own, you just need to return home. But the purpose of this one, I will have to delete this because I don't need the video on my page. So that is that one about that one. So let's assume you also want to stream to your YouTube channel. What you just need to do is to go to your YouTube channel. What you need to do is just to go to your YouTube channel. As your YouTube channel is loading, so when you go to the YouTube channel, just click on this create icon over here, click go to live, go live. But if you are just activating your YouTube account for the first time, this might not work because you have to process it within 24 hours. I will explain this one in a subsequent video also for you to balance up to understand how to create. Well, I used to tell people that so while you have your Gmail account, you automatically have a YouTube account. So, but for you to set it up is just what you just need. So over here, after the stuff upload, after your YouTube upload, so what you just need there is the streaming code, streaming key. Sorry, when you copy the streaming key, same thing that we do under the OBS over here is just what you need to alter. You just go to setting. Under the setting, instead of Facebook, you'll be taking YouTube RSTM. So for here, I'll be using stream key. So I'll just have to replace this stream key and press OK. So if I should start stream now, that will reflect on my YouTube page over here. You can see that automatically it starts. So that is how to stream out from your OBS to your YouTube or Facebook channel. Thank you for listening to this. More of this kind of video is still coming. More of it is still coming. There are some of the sections that even when I was taking you guys this section, I noticed that there are something I still need to touch, but I will still prepare that video and attach to it. But if there's anything that you've noticed from the previous one and the recent one, please put your comments or your question in the comment section. I will attend to everything, and if need be for me to explain something via video or like this, I will still create it. Please and please subscribe to the channel, share it with your loved one, let everybody benefit from it. The essence of it is for all of us to have the skills at our hand so that we can have resources at our end that can be giving us our daily earning. So that is the whole gist of this. Thank you for watching from the first episode even to this episode. and more videos coming. See you in my next video.